Welcome to a new episode, everybody. The 240 isn't working again. Coose is here, and we're gonna give the JZX a bit of a test drive after the 240 starts working again.
Translation: situation normal.
Yeah.
Everything's f***ed up.
Things are broken. We don't know how, but they are. All right, so I tried to plug my laptop into the ECU, and I couldn't connect it to the ECU at all. So basically that meant the ECU wasn't getting any power. In the past, we had jumped the ECU from this relay to get power to it, and it took like a week for me to find the relay, and then I got the right relays because the one I got was a remand one. Anyway, I replaced the relay, everything's good, and the car is now doing all the stuff it's supposed to. Man, it was just like, will I, bitch? Yeah, so the 240 runs again. Now we're gonna go take the JZX out for a little evening cruise, because we basically spent the whole day trying to get the 240 to start. Should be a good time though. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start up the JZX, and hopefully it should start first try after we changed out the temp sensor. A little dusty in here. Yeah, it starts up good. That was quick. JZ's everywhere. We're ready to ride. Oh, that was a terrible noise.
Do it again.
All right, here we are. Man, it feels so good to be in a right-hand drive car. Like, it just feels, I don't know. I drove the Skyline for so long that, like, being in a left-hand drive car, it felt so weird.
I was gonna ask you about that. Like, how this probably feels good, doesn't it?
It does. It does feel nice. It do feel nice. It's a little loud in here.
What?
Ah!
Huh?
Fucking battery tipped over and the trunk's still hooked up to the other battery with the goddamn jumper cables on it.
Everything's okay?
Seems so.
Okay. That's good.
Huh?
That's good.
Yeah.
Dude, this brake sits up so high.
Oops. Any
Yeah.
rubby yet?
No. No rubbing.
Fuck yeah.
Okay. This looks pretty nice. Could I see that camera, buddy? Thanks, man. Get some pictures. It's a beautiful day.
Gotta get an ass shot.
Yeah. Looks good. We got some pictures of the cars, and now we're just gonna go for a little loop around the area here, just to make sure everything is a-okay. We're not rubbing it at all. We want to make sure that we put the suspension through its paces a little bit at least, so that we can be extra sure our fitment is solid. Race cars on the street, everybody thinks it's neat. on the suspension. Lots of undulation.
It's a dip.
and was like, wait a minute, this is exactly where I want to be. What was that? I missed the gear I was already in, bro.
The gear you were in. Fuck.
This is terrible. I always feel badass pulling up in parking lots, just like fucking. I know nobody's here, but I am.
What's up?
What up? All right, we're gonna take some more pictures and then we'll wrap this video up when we get back to the house. The car rubbed once on one really gnarly corner, so we'll check that out and you know, we'll make the adjustments we need to make. But overall, I'm super happy with how the rear fenders are. These wheels are absolutely massive and they fit super well. So really happy about that. It rubbed once on the corkscrew going up belt. That's super
going
gnarly.
Up belt under
First corkscrew. That's
so under.
hard one.
Okay, but were you on throttle?
I was on throttle. Yeah.
Nice.
So it was like it was torquing it a little bit.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I was hearing some clicking.
How's
shit.
this? It's clicking.
I don't know. Sounded like it. Better not be an axle.
No. You probably got a buddy.
Huh?
Probably picked up a rock.
Yeah, it's kind of fun, but this thing, like, there's something imbalanced in the brakes. It's pretty sketch when.
Yeah, when you brake hard into corners, it's weird.
There was some weird transition thing that happened. Felt like in the rear end too. We'll
Yep.
figure it out someday.
This is probably the alignment.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, we should get this thing like properly aligned someday. It's never been properly aligned. I can only align it with one eyeball.
Tell me it drives funny with the eyeball alignment?
Yep.
Who knew?
Yeah, I know, right? It's running good.
It seems
All right.
wrong.
You guys can see here is like a little bit of seam sealer from rubbing up on the very top of the fender. So we are getting absolute, like, as much suspension travel as we can get out of these fender flares, and we've done our job. This thing doesn't rub until it gets to the very, very top of the wheel well. So hell yeah, I'm mega stoked. This is really good.
What?
Looks good, man.
Other lights.
240 looks good too. It's just fucking chilling. Yeah. These are some cool cars, man. Makes me happy. I like seeing this shit. It's good. .240 runs again.
Yeah.
That's good.
For right now.
For now, yeah. Get some coil packs and some injector wires and we should be straight. All right, guys. So the JZX is back in the shop and the test drive went really well. It rubbed on one corner, and that one corner is super ultra gnarly, and we're stoked. Very, very, very happy with how the fenders are working out on the car, and we've already gotten started on building the front fenders. So in the next video, we're going to show you guys that we're gonna make some front fenders for the JZX, and it should be pretty cool. Yeah. We already switched the wheels over from the 240, so yeah. We'll see you guys in the next one. We had a lot of fun making this video, but it was probably like the quickest, easiest video we filmed like ever. We just drove through the hills. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video where we do stuff.
Squish, that's Foo Burr.
That's a different acronym.
Yeah, that's Foo Burr, dude. What you meant was Foo Bar.
No, what I meant was snafu. Situational all fucked up. That's snafu.
Fuck, I'm stupid.